Okay guys, today I would like to explain you how to do a zigzag. So put your weight on the right foot, left foot behind. Now, as you transfer your weight, already start charging your shoulders to the right. So the first beginning of the zigzag is always going to be 90-degree hip twist. Okay, so one more time. Put your weight on the front leg, rotate back leg, tummy in. Now start charging your shoulders to the right, 90-degree. From here, you're going to step forward, and here you have a foot change. We call it together back. How to do it? You charge your shoulders, start turning your shoulders to the left. Now start moving your hip, and here you're going together. And in this moment, swing your shoulders to the opposite direction as you swing your foot back, together back. So one more time. So zigzag. Start from here. Start charging your shoulders to the right. Move, move, move. Hip twist. Step forward. And now from here, swing your shoulder to the opposite direction. Together back. Now from here, as you continue moving back, keep turning your shoulders opposite direction. And the next movement is nothing else as a backward hip twist. Boom. So how to do backward hip twist? So basically, you start turning your shoulders to the right. And as your leg going back and the standing leg is pivoting, you swing it to opposite direction from beginning. So one more time here. We have a hip twist. Step, together back. And here exactly the same. We already did the foot change. Back, collect feet. Now we're going to do foot change, together front. So how to do together front? So you already start changing your shoulders to the left, feet collecting. And now as your shoulders swing, you have a hip circle, the same as in cha-cha. Create a very nice foot change. And you at your starting point. So let's do it a little bit more connected. I'll do it very, very slowly, and you can learn. So hip twist, zigzag, like this we use in our choreographies a lot. It's a very popular step. You can travel with it, you can do it in place. You can rotate around it, so you can do many, many versions. So you go 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. So here's the hip twist, forward, together, back, backward hip twist, together front. Now your arms will be extremely important here. To create a correct counterbalance, you have to position your arm correctly. So for example, now, if I do it by myself, I hold my arms here. Now, as much as possible, as much as I open my back foot and rotating my thigh, my left elbow has to be as much as possible forward. Now, as I'm doing a hip twist, I have to counterbalance my right elbow with my left knee. So this arm should be somewhere here, never here, because here you'll feel no balance. Because remember, balance is counterbalance, so we have to constantly counterbalance ourselves. Now keep this arm here as you move forward in this counterbalance position. I go together back. Now from here, as you leg back, make sure this arm is somewhere here, never here. Then you achieve counterbalance, very powerful position. You can really produce very strong movement from it. Boom. On the backward hip twist, make sure this arm is across, together front. So the arm style is not only for the beauty, is also to help your balance, which is actually come from counterbalance. So place your arms correctly,